First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, the weekend is upon us, and we're starting out dry, but eventually rain is going to come back in, and it looks like kind of a soggy weekend. If you had any outdoor plans, go ahead and keep them if it's a cookout or if you got something to do outdoors. But keep in mind there will be those occasional showers, even a thunderstorm or two, and some pockets of heavy downpours of rain. Although we're not expecting a lot of rain, we could see a ½ inch to an inch, which is a beneficial rain. It could come down rather hard or heavily as we go into Saturday and Sunday. Right now, live Doppler radar showing that things are all clear this morning. We're at 42 degrees currently. As we check around the area, temperatures right now showing a variety of mainly mid and upper 30s out to the east, 36 Columbia, 35 Campbellsville. Then you start to see some low to mid 40s out west of us. A warm front is making its way through the western part of our viewing area. That's why it's like 47 in Russellville and in Hopkinsville, and it's 44 right now in Greenville. Here's our hometown forecast today around the Nolin River Lake area, including Litchfield. You'll see a high today of 67 with a mix of sun and clouds. Munfordville at 68, Brownsville and Edmonson County 69 degrees. Your high temperature for this afternoon. Rain holding off until sometime later this evening. Powerball jackpot for tomorrow night estimated to be at $140 million, while Mega Millions estimated to be at $103 million. Still some issues in the pollen count. Of course, that's tree and some grass pollen in the moderate high category. Ozone is low. Molds are now up to the moderate category. UV index will be moderately high today. Check this out live. I'll even step out of the way and let you look at that gorgeous sunrise from Doppler Cam this morning. Thanks to AAA Systems for our Doppler Cam camera catching that beautiful shot this morning of the high clouds coming in over south central Kentucky. 42 degrees currently. The wind's calm. The pressure is rising at this hour. Checking a few more of our AAA Systems weather cams. Glasgow, you have a temperature of 44 degrees currently. As we check live from Munfordville, some of those high clouds in Hart County, 38 degrees, a little cool there. 47 in Russellville, still seeing some of those high clouds there in Logan County. And by the way, we will be in Russellville tomorrow, right down the street here. If you go down from the Courthouse Square, you go down by the Justice Center, that's where the Walgreens is located. This is West 4th Street, the old 6880. That's where we'll be programming weather radios tomorrow morning from 10 a.m. to noon. 51 in St. Louis, 44 here, 38 in Knoxville. We're 10 degrees warmer than we were at this hour yesterday, thanks to high pressure moving off to the north and east. So that means more of a easterly wind flow today, and even a little out of the southeast, which means we'll warm up a bit. Here comes our rain, though. This is all ahead of a warm front that will be lifting the warmer air and the moisture back into south central Kentucky as it moves a little bit further east. In fact, here is the warm front painted on our Futurecast maps here. We'll go through the next 48 hours. You see the increase in shower activity as we get into the western part of our state by later on this evening. Then overnight tonight, good coverage of rain right along and ahead of that warm front right across the Kentucky-Tennessee border, and the heavy rains right there around that area of low pressure coming through during the day tomorrow. So keep that in mind. And even into Sunday, we're looking at shower activity, some heavy downpours, possibly a rumble of thunder. No severe weather expected out of this system. 69 today, increasing clouds and warmer. Then tonight, showers likely with a low of 50. Tomorrow we'll make it up to 62. A good 80% chance of occasional rain and thunderstorms. 68 and more showers on Sunday. Then we warm things up into the mid and upper 70s to around 80 as we get into the beginning of the new month of May. On Wednesday, a high of 80, then back to 71 with more thunderstorms on Thursday.